Namaste and welcome to day 20 of Start Now. Well, congratulations, it's so lovely. We are about to complete 20 days into this journey and it's an awesome feeling, and today's practice is about addressing every small joint in your body, and which is why it'll be a full body joint addressing with being mindful, trying to channelize the awareness in the body and trying to be in the present as much as we can. Yes, with that, starting with our neck, I want you to get into any comfortable seat and drop your neck on the right side, releasing both the shoulders down. Breathing in the neck, breathing through the side regions where you're feeling that stretch. Slowly bring your head back up and drop the neck to the left. Slowly bring the head back up, lift up, look up. Slowly bring the head back centered and chin to chest. Slowly bring the neck back up and good rotation to the neck. Give yourself a good neck roll. Breathe from every corner possible. And reverse the direction. And center. From here, expand your palms on the side. You will lift your right arm up and then rotate it in and out. As you do this, drop your neck on the left side. Rotate, bring movements. Keep looking in the front. Now bend the left elbow also. Bring more space. Now move your arms up and down. As you move it down, you'll feel an extended stretch. As you move it up, you'll feel a little less of that stretch. As you move it down and ahead, you'll feel that extended stretch. As you move it up, you feel it getting lesser. Slowly come back up, lift up other arm, facing it front and back, flossing it, dropping the head on the right side, relaxing that elbow on the right side, letting the neck stay there as you move and bring this manipulation. And keeping the neck on the side, drop the hands down. Feel that extended stretch. Lift the arms up. Exhale, drop the hands down. Inhale, lift the arms up. Last one, drop the hands down. And inhale, lift the arms up. Slowly head back center. This is lovely. Alright, let's come into standing. From here, we'll try balancing on one leg, lifting the right leg and doing ankle rotation. As you do ankle rotation, make sure you can enjoy the balance on one leg that you're standing on and reverse the direction. Change sides. And reverse. And relax. From here, we will do the same thing again, but adding the wrist, and if possible, challenge yourself with a little more coordination. Add your neck into it. Try it. It's going to be a little fun task. Try to roll your neck, wrist and everything in one direction. Everything. Go slow. Ankle, head and wrist. I didn't say it's easy. Try. Yes. See, even I'm struggling. Let's enjoy it. And now reverse the direction. Yes. Beautiful. And relax. Let's change sides. Good job. Yes. Let's roll everything to the right side first. Whoa. Enjoy. Like I said, every wobble should be fun. This practice is for you to enjoy and embrace yourself. Now reverse direction. And relax. Come back to center. Relax yourself. Stand still. Breathe. From here, you're going to turn to the sideways. Bring both the knees together and lift the right leg. Keep the knees together and bring the heel as up as you can and extend it down. Do it for 10. Very good for your knees. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn to the other side. Squeeze the knees. Lift up. Try to pull it all the way up to your heels. And then drop it down. Keep going. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lovely. Spread your legs as wide as you can. Keep your hands on the waist. Give yourself a good, nice hip roll. Enjoy it. Go to extreme corners. Go slow. Take your time. And just flow along with it. Breathe. Move your upper torso. And reverse. Nicely going. And slowly stay on the right side and engage both the glutes. Both the hips are squeezing a little bit. Stay, you will feel the stretch on the inner thigh of this leg. Do you feel it? Lovely. Same thing on the other side. Squeeze both the legs. Both the hips. Stay on one side. Press the feet and come back up. That is lovely. From there, get your legs together. Release the hands. Let's take our arms all the way up. Roll it back actively. Keep your core engaged. Roll it back without moving your whole body. Yes. 3. Lovely. 4. Close your eyes. Notice what's happening inside of the body. Try to bring awareness in the muscles, in the body, in the breath. And reverse. Work through it. Try not to move the rest of the body while you're moving your shoulders. Just isolation. Yes. Keeping the hands straight. And 1. Take your palms on your shoulders, elbows out. Extend it out and bring it back in. Extend the arms out. Bring your palms back in. Extend, back. Extend, back. Extend, back. Extend, back. Keep going. Shoulders down. Face relax. Last 3. Last 2. Last 1. And relax. Breathe. Keep your eyes closed, stand still, weight on your toes, tuck the tailbone slightly in, roll the shoulders back, body straight, and stay. From your hands on your waist, lift up, look at one spot, lift up the heels and down. Lift up the heels and down. Lift it up, slowly down, control it. 20, down, 19, down, 18, down, relax your face, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Feel free to stop if you find that is too much for you. Keep your breath steady. Notice what is feeling when you do this. What muscle is engaging? Which part of your body is putting the work? Try to relax the areas that are not in use. Spread your toes, that will help you balance nicely. Yes. And relax. That is lovely. Good job. From here, spread your legs and just try to widen your feet as much as you can. Lift up from your chest and go halfway down. Stay there and come back up. Beautiful. Exhale, halfway down, knees straight, back straight, slowly come up. Exhale, halfway down and up, halfway down. Stay. Good, just stay there. 10, weight on the toes. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the toes to come up. Beautiful. Slowly bring the legs together. Feel free to use your blocks for the next one. Take your blocks. Drop your hands on the blocks on the floor. Push the weight on the blocks. Stay there. Weight on the toes and the blocks. Inhale, lift up your chest and keep lifting your head up as you press the toes, as you press the blocks. Slowly exhale, bend the elbows and release the head down and just stay there. Breathe. जाओ चाचा, निकलो. From here, slowly try to lean the weight front and back, front and back, front and back, front and back. Lower your hands down by lowering the height of the block, front and back. Keep lifting the tailbone outwards, dropping the heels down. Block down even lower if you can. If not, stay wherever you're comfortable today. Front and back. Release the neck. Stay there and now become still. No movements from here. Slowly bend the knees. Push your knees out. Come into Malasana. Long spine. Breath relax. Stay here. From here, slowly keep your blocks back to its place. Thank your blocks for being so supportive and being there for you. Slowly sit down on your feet. Bring your legs straight in front of you and just move your legs. Just shake your legs. Try to sit taller. And then come up to sitting straight without the hand support. Now here, most of you will notice that the position in sitting is very different for everyone. What I mean by this is some of you will be seated like this, while some of you would be able to sit somewhere like this, and some of you would be able to sit actually really tall. This is actually the pelvic position in your body. So what you have to try is to elongate your spine and push that tailbone back towards the outside. So what you have to do for that is use your hands, remove any flesh from under your hips. It's your own body, don't be shy. Lift up and sit as taller as you can and elongate your spine. Let's try doing that. And then once you have tall spine, get your hands right next to your hips and hold that structure. Breathe. Good job. Slowly open your eyes. From here, we will control our way down, like super control. So take your hands ahead, round your back, let your body round and lower yourself gradually, but do not let yourself touch completely on the floor. We will come up again. So remember that. Make space. Make sure you have space behind of you. Hands straight in front of you, round your back. Keep it in the air as you lower yourself down. Just the lower back is touching down and hold it there. Slowly come up. Again, slowly lowering yourself down. Touch your lower back on the floor. Slowly come up. Again, lowering yourself down. Touch your lower back on the floor. And come up. Last one. Keep your back rounded. Don't try to straighten your back. Now hold it here. Let your body shiver. Say 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. You're doing good. 5. Shoulders is not towards your ears. It's down. 4, 3, 2, and release. Surrender on the floor and enjoy your relaxation. Have a good relaxation time. I will see you for the next practice.